All right, Mark here. My name is Mark Principato, Mark P Markets, and I'm a chartered market technician. And thank you for joining me for another exclusive Bitcoin video analysis here for FXEmpire. So in this session, I'm going to talk about our recent Bitcoin swing trade and what we're expecting in terms of a potential breakout or a potential fake out over the next few days. All right, so with that, let's get started. This is for educational purposes only. For investment advice, please consult a licensed investment advisor. Also, real quick, if you'd like to know a little bit more about our strategies, you can visit greenbridgeinvesting.com. There's a link to it in the descriptive portion of this analysis, so check that out. We have a 7-day free trial for our Signal service, and we also have a free membership with a chat room, so I encourage you to stop by and ask questions. Okay, so let's talk about Bitcoin. Now, let's talk about on Friday. That was when the first signal showed up. We had two signals and they appeared right here. The first one was on Friday evening, all right, which was this candle back here. And then the second one was on Sunday evening, which was this little pin bar situation going on right here. All right, we didn't take the second one, but the first one, we had an order that we shared at 48.5 and the order became active yesterday or Monday. Yeah, Monday. Okay, so once it went through 48.5, that trade was put into play, and now we're still in it, and we're managing this position. So here's the thing. The trend is bullish. We have a higher low off of that 45K area, so a higher high, or at least a test of the 57K peak, is within reason. If we get a breakout and momentum follows through, it's possible to see the low 60s or the mid 60s on the next leg higher. Now, I wouldn't get all excited about that because that's one possibility, but there's also a possibility that we fake out here in this 52K area to 54K minor resistance. Price action has hinted towards some hesitation with this candle tail that we can see off that area, but it's too early to make any judgments. Now, a sell signal in this area would be if we take out the low of this candle, 48,168. If we see something like that, that would likely hint toward a broader consolidation. We would have a lower high in place at that point, and we'd be anticipating then a test of this support here at 45K and a possible break. Now, in that scenario, we'd have to make some adjustments, possibly take an early loss or a small loss or break even on that trade. Or if it's swift, we get stopped out. Look, we have a stop in place, and that's the risk that we were willing to take to begin with. Okay, if you're not willing to take a risk, then you shouldn't be in the trade at all. Now, here's the thing. If we take out 40K, which is a pretty important support, and we go to 37K, well, that will confirm, if that level is cleared, if 37K is cleared, that will confirm that we are in a broad wave 4 consolidation. Now, that's important because that means we have to adjust our expectations in terms of short-term swing trade profit targets and also how we manage our inventory. And to give you an idea of what a broad wave 4 looks like, I'm going to show you the gold chart here because since the August peak, way back here, gold has been in this nasty consolidation, okay? And Bitcoin can do something similar to that over a month, a couple of months, maybe 3, 4, 5 months. So it's something to keep in mind if we get that confirmation. All right, so back to Bitcoin. So again, just a quick overview. We're looking for that test of high or higher high, but if we get the failure signal, then we have to adjust and we have to change our expectations to adjust to a possible broad wave 4. Okay, so I'll leave you with that. Again, if you have any questions, come check out greenbridgeinvesting.com. My name is Mark Principato, Mark P Markets. Thank you very much for watching.